Hello and welcome to today's video where we will show you step by step exactly how you can flip items on Facebook Marketplace and earn extra income on the side. This strategy will help you make real money from your computer anywhere in the world. No matter how old you are, no matter where you live, no matter how much experience or tech skills you have, anyone can do this. This is a simple, straightforward method where we will show you step by step how to flip items on Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace has become a massive site where people buy and sell thousands of items every day all across the world. To give you a better idea as to how big Facebook Marketplace is, it reaches 1.8 billion people. People flip items on Facebook Marketplace as a full-time job. It's an extremely underrated side hustle that can potentially earn you thousands every single month if you take it seriously. People have been able to quit their jobs and do this full-time and make a ton of money. So before we begin the video, please consider subscribing to this channel if you'd like to learn about more ways to make money online. Subscribing to this channel helps us continue to create more content like this in order to help you generate more income in your life. Also, make sure that you click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we update you with a new side hustle or way to make money online. Okay, let's get back to the video. So first, you're going to need an item to sell on the Facebook Marketplace. There are several ways to get an item or items to sell on Facebook Marketplace. You could just have some extra stuff laying around in your home that you own that you no longer want or need and would like to get rid of. You could get stuff at your local thrift store and purchase some cheap items. You could get something from a nearby garage sale, or you could go onto the Facebook Marketplace and get stuff that are listed for free. And we'll show you exactly how you can do that on the Facebook Marketplace. So to begin, first, we will head over to the Facebook Marketplace. First, you're going to need a Facebook account. And if you don't have one, it's free to sign up, so go ahead and do that if you haven't already. After you've done that, you're going to go to the home page of your Facebook account and click on Marketplace on the left-hand side. So first, we're going to show you how you can get an item for free in order for you to flip yourself. And this is very straightforward to do. Once you're on the Facebook Marketplace, you are going to want to scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Free Stuff. After you've done that, you will have a huge selection of free stuff in your local area that you can go and pick up completely for free that you can then resell yourself. And you're probably thinking that because other people are listing these things for free, that you then won't be able to resell them for profit. But typically, the reason people list these things for free is because they just simply want to get rid of them and don't want to have to deal with the hassle of actually selling them. So now that we know how to get stuff completely for free on the Facebook Marketplace, let's begin the selling process. So, in the Facebook Marketplace, you're going to head over to Create New Listing and click on that. Next, you're going to click on Item for Sale right here. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is add some photos. And this is a very important step because you want to make sure that the item you are listing looks appealing to the buyer. So I would suggest adding multiple photos with a few different angles with a decent camera. You can just use your phone. Also, make sure that you have good lighting so the item is very clear and stands out to the buyer. So, as an example for this video, we are just going to add a picture of this jacket here. Next, you will want to fill out the title. So in this case, we're just going to put winter jacket. And for the price, that all depends on what you think the item should be valued at. It's also good to get a better idea of what other people have listed a similar item at. Additionally, you can just do some research on the specific item that you are selling by Googling the item or searching for the item on Facebook Marketplace. So for this example, let's just list the price for this winter jacket at $50. Next, you're going to want to select the category. So for this, we will select clothing, and then since it's a men's jacket, we'll click on men's clothing, and then we'll select men's coats and jackets. And then we're going to select the condition. So in this case, this jacket is in pretty good condition, so we're going to select used, like new. And then for the description, you can either just repeat what you put for the title, or you can add something that's adding more detail to the item that you are selling. And then depending on what kind of item you are selling, it will provide some optional descriptors. I'd recommend filling these out so you can give the buyer more info, so we'll just go ahead and do that quickly right here. And then, if you'd like, you can choose to select Hide from Friends, which just means that this listing will be hidden from your Facebook friends and obviously visible to everyone else on Facebook. And then next, you're going to select the location and delivery method. So you can just add your location and then choose your delivery method. You can choose to do shipping or local pickup. So if you haven't set up shipping yet, just click on the button that says Set up Shipping. Once you've done that, you're going to want to fill out your information and link your bank account. After you've completed that, you can now select either shipping and local, shipping only, or local pickup only. If you choose to have the option to ship your item, you can, but I would suggest doing local pickup only so you don't have to do extra work to sell your items. It also costs money to ship items. So if you do decide to have an option to ship your item, then you can select your shipping option choosing either use a prepaid shipping label or use your own shipping label. If you select use your own shipping label, this means that you can ship the package using a mailing service of your choice, for example, USPS, FedEx, or UPS, and entering the tracking information. If you select use a prepaid shipping label, this means that you can purchase a shipping label through Marketplace for discounts on shipping costs. Next, you want to select the package weight. So figure out how much your item weighs and then just select the appropriate option for your package. Another helpful thing is that you can list this in many different Facebook groups where people are actively searching for many different items. So if you haven't already, you can join as many communities as you like and then list this item in as many of those communities as you'd like. And then you just click Publish. Once you publish, your listing will be reviewed and then accepted. And just like that, you have now listed your item on the Facebook Marketplace. Another option you can do is you can choose to boost your item by paying for ads in order to promote your item more effectively on Facebook Marketplace. If you're a complete beginner, I would suggest not to do this quite yet, especially if your item isn't very expensive. But if you are listing an expensive item, I would suggest considering boosting it. So, now after you have listed your item on Facebook Marketplace, you are going to want to wait for potential buyers to start contacting you. Make sure you are patient during this process because it can take anywhere from a few days to even weeks or months. So we would suggest listing multiple items rather than just one so you can start making more money more quickly. One thing to keep in mind is that if you sell more than $599 worth of stuff on Facebook Marketplace, Facebook will make you put in all of your tax information so that they can send you a tax form at the end of the year. So make sure that you don't list any more things after you've made $599 until you put in all of your tax information. So now that brings us to the end of today's video. Selling items on Facebook Marketplace can be a fantastic way to earn extra income. Thousands and thousands of people do this all over the world, either as a side hustle or as their full-time job, and make thousands every month doing it. Anyone can do this from literally anywhere in the world, so don't get discouraged and get started on your own Facebook Marketplace selling journey. If you learned a lot from this video, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be notified about more ways to make money online. Let's keep the ball rolling and learn more, so click on this video right here to learn about another way to make money online.